We have some beautiful fabrics here this morning. I'm just excited to share them with you. Some of the best fabrics in the summertime are viscose and cottons, and this is a border. It's beautiful. It's Italian. It's 100% viscose. It has stretch in both directions. 1 yard is about one panel, and then you can see it kind of repeats itself. Just really, really beautiful. So that 1 yard is one panel. So it's really beautiful. 100% viscose, stretch in both directions. Then we have, this is a second skin. Second skins are known by the, weave to be much cooler. I don't know why I can't get that out. I'm sorry, you guys. And so this is a really beautiful, deep royal that has stretch in both directions. It is a cotton poly blend, but the weave itself is known to be really nice and cool. This is 100% cotton. It has stretch in both directions, and either side could be used. It's got a royal and a white stripe. It's very pretty. Stretch in both directions. So rarely does a woven like this have stretch in both directions. So really you can just do so much with it. This is something we just don't ever see. It's a cotton denim. It's a white cotton denim twill, 100% cotton. It's a beautiful fabric. It is a stretch woven, so perfect for, that, well, there's not, I'm going to take that back. I don't think it is a stretch woven. It's really a woven. It has a mechanical stretch, but it's not a stretch woven. It's a woven, but very pretty twill, just a nice piece of denim. This is 100% cotton. Again, beautiful piece. You can see all the colors in there. They just look like summer, don't they? Just all those beautiful colors. There's the dark royal, there's the white, just very pretty. Notice on this white, you can't see through it. I think when I look for white, for some reason, that's just one of the most important things I look for. This is 100% cotton knit, stretch in both directions. They're just beautiful. They're just stunning fabrics. They all coordinate together. You can see this with the white or with the royal. Either way, it looks really beautiful. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.